Hello coders, welcome to Refresh Coding. My name is Madhulika, and in this video we will see how we can work with Java in VS Code. So the first thing we will see is how we can create a normal Java project in VS Code. So first of all, you have to make sure VS Code is downloaded and it is open in your system. So this is the symbol of VS Code. After that, what you need to do, you need to open VS Code in your system and you need to go here in manage, and here you will have to check for extensions. So uh, for working with Java, we will check for the extension, which is Java extension. And here, if you can see, a lot of extensions are there, like extension pack for Java, debugger for Java, test runner, Maven, project manager for Java, and Spring initializer Java support. So all these extensions are there. So first we will see this extension pack for Java, and it is already installed. Okay, it is already, this extension is enabled globally. So it is already enabled. So that means we can work with a basic Java project in VS Code. Now we will see how we will create a Java project in VS Code. So if you will go here, now here you can also open a Java project folder or you can create a new Java project. So we will create Java project. After this, here we can select that which Java project we want. Like we do not want any build tool, or we want a Maven project, Gradle project, Spring Boot, or what. Right now I will select no build tool because I just want a normal Java project. And after that, I will select the project location, and here I will give a project name. So let's say I will give the name as basic demo. Okay, and I will enter. So the moment I will enter, you can see here it has given me a basic demo project, which is a Java project. So here if you see app.java, so here some Java code is already written. So this is a very basic Java code which is written. So right now if I will execute this project, what I will have to do, I will simply go here and and run without debugging because I do not want to debug it right now. So if you can see the output, it is giving us the output as hello world, which is written here. Now, if I want to change this code, then suppose I can simply print here. So I will do sysout and I will print here. Let's say this is my first Java project. Okay, and that's it. I will save it and I will run it once again. And now if you can see, we are getting two outputs, hello world, and this is my first Java project.